In OpenKM, environments can be prepared in which users comply with specific rules, protocols, or way of working. In the automation folder, we have 3 examples available. If we insert content in the first folder, we will discover that the system has automatically added a category to the file. In the second subfolder, we will see that the document manager automatically adds a keyword to the document. If we add content in the third folder, the system will show a wizard to the user to add the information requested. In this example, a keyword, one or more categories, the document has to be managed before the date we enter. Notification to a user, expiration notice to a user, and notification of expiration date. The automatisms work with one or several contents massively incorporated into OpenKM. Any OpenKM functionality can be used in an automation. Automations are created from the admin panel. In the documentation, we can find all the information we need to create an automation and evaluate all the possibilities automation that may be of interest. As an example, we will explain the fundamental elements of any automation. To create automation, first we click on the plus button. This opens a window in which we fill in the required fields. Name: what do we want to automate? In this example, we want to insert a keyword when a new document is created in a given folder. Add: when most automations are post, a condition must be met so that the result will be the consequence of the automation. In this case, the automatic insertion of a keyword. We activate automation. In definition, we define the condition that the automation has to validate. In this case, that the created document is inserted in the route that we are going to select, and the action it has to execute. In this example, automatically insert the word test. And we restart the browser so that the changes are made in the public area.